Hey guys, welcome back to Maddie's channel. So it is currently Saturday and we have a lot of things we need to do today. But we're currently sitting in my dad's truck while they jumper it
Earlier,
with my mom's
we
car.
were cleaning the car and we put music on to listen while we were cleaning the car, and we didn't know what was going to drain the battery, so now the battery's drained. If you want to go watch us cleaning the car, go watch the shorts.
But now we are waiting for the car to get jumped.
So we will show you it getting jumped.
And my dad is very miserable.
No luck, it still wouldn't start. So as you just saw, we tried a couple of times to jump the car and it is not, or the truck, and it's not jumping. Alyssa's getting out to go hold her mom's hood for here. We had no success on ours. You tell them.
No.
You're better at it. So Alyssa's in a bad mood right now, and we had no success jumping in the truck.